Factor by grouping 2x squared minus x minus c. So a trinomial has the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So the first thing we want to do is multiply our leading coefficient a times our coefficient c. So here we have that's 2 times negative 6, which equals negative 12. Now we want to find factors of negative 12. So that could be 12, 1, negative 12 and 1, negative 12 and negative 1, 12 and 1, negative 12 and 1. It could be 3 and negative 4, or negative 4 and negative 3. It could also be negative 6. Oh, but we have that here already, so we don't want that one. Negative 6 and 2. So now what we want to do is add up these factors to try to get our middle factor of negative 1. So here, 12 minus 1 is 11. Negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11. Here we have 3 minus negative 4 is negative 1. So this matches our middle term. So now we want to express this as our middle term. So what we're going to do is write 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x. So negative 4x plus 3x equals negative x minus 6. So now what we're going to do is group our terms. We can see that we have an x here and an x here. And we can see that we have a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 2. Here we have a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 3. So we're going to group this as 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. So now we're going to factor out a 2x, which is our greatest common factor from here. And here our greatest common factor is just 3. So we're going to factor out a 3. So when we do that, we have 2x times x minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times x minus 2. So now we can see that we have a common factor of x minus 2 in each term. So now what we're going to do is factor out our x minus 2 here and our x minus 2 here. So when we do that, we get x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. So here's our answer. X minus 2 times 2x plus 3.